So today we're hoping it rains. We have a big chance of it raining, but it hasn't rained yet. So I'm sitting in front of my window, my open window. I'm about to do some work on my laptop. And y'all get to see my reaction when it hopefully starts raining. Just so you know, the work I'm doing on my laptop is an essay for school because like summer reading and all that. So I'm writing an essay. I'll tell y'all more about it while I'm writing. False alarm. Okay, so pretty much the essay I'm writing is about the book Tuck Everlasting by Natalie Babbitt. So I'll just read y'all what I have so far. Tuck Everlasting is a magical romance written by Natalie Babbitt. It is set in the village of Tree Gap where the Tucks live, which just so happened to be next to a forest, the wood that is owned by the Foster family. We haven't had any problem with our electrical. There's an electrical fan outside of our house. Oh, he pulled away. Listening to my dad. My sister's also flying in town tonight, so hopefully the rain doesn't do anything. Coming! Okay, there it is. That's great. So my sister's flight was supposed to be in half an hour from now, which would be, my phone's not telling me, like 4 o'clock. Well, my sister got delayed and her flight isn't going to be till like 9. And I'm stuck at my grandma's house right now with my dad. So I'm going to be here for a while. So if anybody wants me to go live, I will. Oh, also, I listen to podcasts on Spotify because, you know, I'm fancy like that. So anyways. Wow. Oh. Wow. Okay. My friend sent me a text. So I just go into Spotify. I listen to Gee Thanks by Georgia and Lily Grace. They talk about anything and everything. Like Gee Thanks on Sunday posts Sleepy Sundays where they react to listeners' dreams and talk furthermore about it. On Fridays, they do Tell Your Sisters, which is a vodcast. You can listen or you could watch them do it. And it's called Tell Your Sisters, and they give unsolicited sisterly advice. And on Wednesday, they do Gee Thanks, and they just talk about stuff like life. So this last Wednesday was Gee Thanks for the 2000s. So, yeah. Not sponsored at all. I just literally, my favorite podcast, I listen to them constantly. Georgia and Lily also have YouTube channels. Visit Georgia Productions and Lily Grace on YouTube. Literally my favorite YouTubers out there.
And for a little bit of context, I was born in 2002. Georgia was born in, had a shirt. So you know layering is quite in right now. Where you get a long sleeve shirt, then you put a different t-shirt over it. Georgia started this trend and she didn't even